How to format your laptop in Windows 11. So I'll show you how to reset your laptop back to its factory settings. Now to do this, you'll need to open up the Start menu on your computer and then go and click on Settings. You could then click on System from the left hand side, scroll down this page and go and click on Recovery. Now scroll down to reset this PC and click the reset button. Now you have two options to either keep your files or to remove everything. So if you want to wipe all of your personal data and files, you can select remove everything. If you want to keep your personal data and documents on this computer, you can just select keep my files. You'll then have two options of how you want to reinstall Windows. So I'd recommend doing a cloud download. You just need to make sure you have a Wi-Fi connection, and this will reinstall the latest version of Windows. If for some reason this isn't working, you can also do a local reinstall. Now once you've done this, it will basically wipe your computer and all of its data. So once it's finished resetting, your computer will be like brand new when you first purchased it out of the box, and this is perfect for if you're selling your laptop.